Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a tan interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and C300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, quick look up front. We have memory heated seats with the driver's seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is 45,302. A push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera. Mercedes-Benz shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.